Hey, what's up, internet? So my girlfriend's dad got me this thing right here. He was trying to get rid of an old TV. Ta-da! New TV. Old TV, well, my new TV. And I also came home with this bad boy. So this is the Parrot Mars Airborne Cargo Drone. And now I'm gonna figure out how to use it. Slide, click, slide, click. Glowing red on there. It's really this easy? That'd be cool. And I almost forgot to say the best part. It comes with like a little Lego guy. He is very cool looking. So you hit the takeoff button and... Not doing anything. Oh, there we go. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. Oh, okay. Land. Behind the camera, but that's good. All right, awesome. Okay, so I just took a break so I could recharge the battery on the drone. Let's fly it one more time real quick. Take off. Ah! There goes the shot. Anyway, my battery on here is about to die, so I'm gonna go make a cool video of this little bad boy right here, and I will catch all you guys in the next one.